River and have a plan to evacuate if needed. It's specifically stating that Deerfield Mobile Home Park and the lower, yeah, we just have a huge swath of terrible situations going on here in East Tennessee. The only silver lining that I can find here is that it's been a while since it's rained. Hopefully these water levels yeah, away. Oh, you wait. But in the mountains of eastern Tennessee, the flooding is catastrophic. This is 600 miles inland from where Hurricane Helene hit. Way of getting to them from the ground, this was the only option. Royston University town, now completely cut off. Magic the same way as the destruction while big enough. This unusually large hurricane was causing havoc in Georgia too.